Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be having a review of the Newellme Happy Cleaner. So without further ado, let's start of reviewing the Newellme Happy Cleaner. So this one right here, consumers report that this one is a watermelon or berry flavored superfood powder packed with probiotics, prebiotics, and fiber. Delivers pleasant, easy to drink experience, dissolving smoothly with faint fruity notes and no choconates. In practical use, it may offer mild digestive comfort, less bloating, and subtle improvements in morning lightness. Though effects vary day to day, not the dramatic gut reset, but the branding hits. From a website trust standpoint, Newellme.com scores around 72 over 100, indicating it's likely legitimate but new, and caution is advised since domain info is sparse and the brand remains relatively unestablished. All in all, this isn't a scam, but rather a mild hydration enhancing wellness drink boosted by good marketing, worth trying if you want something tasty and gentle, but not a miracle digestive or weight loss solution.